Today we are going to look at place value. You will be able to generalize place value understanding for multi-digit numbers, read and write multi-digit numbers using base 10 numbers, number names, and expanded form. We are also going to compare two multi-digit numbers based on the meanings of digits in each place using greater than, equal to, and less than. Before we begin, let's think about this quote from Albert Einstein. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. How do you think it applies to the importance of place value of a digit in a number? Let's go through these important keywords before we begin to practice. The first one is an example of digits. The second one is place value. The 4 represents 40 in the number. 142 is written in standard form, and this is a decimal. Now these are three ways to also write a number. 142 is written in word form. These blocks represent a base 10 model. And this number, 100 plus 40 plus 2, is written in expanded form. Now I bet we all know these, so let's go ahead and review. These represent comparing. This is greater than, equal to, and less than. Now we are going to label this number based on its place value. The first one is 100 million. The second one is in the 10 millions. The third in millions. The 7 represents 100 thousands. The 4 represents 10 thousands. The 5 represents thousands. The 3 represents hundreds. The 5 represents the tens place. And last but not least, the 7 represents the ones place, or the units. All right. On this slide, we are going to fill in the blanks. The numbers are written in standard form, and we are going to convert them into word form. The first one is 654 blank, 463. What do you think goes there? That's right, 1,000. 654,463. The next one, 4 blank 57. What do you think goes there? That's right, 457. The next one, blank 1,000 blank 2. Well, 1,042. That's right. The next one, 500 blank 7 blank, 833,009 blank and 6. So 567, 7,833,906. Great job. All right, now we're going to practice our base 10 model. Let's pull down this tab and see what type of numbers we have to work with. All right, so let's try 89. Now remember, you have to work in these blocks only. So let's write in 80 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. So we're going to need 8 of these. Great job. We're going to need 9 of these for the units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job. All right, let's work with another one. Let's try 126. So this time we're going to need our hundreds block. First, let's write in our number so we don't forget. 1, 2, 6, 1. 100 plus 20 plus 6. Great job. All right, we are going to compare some multi-digit numbers. We're going to use the number generator at the top of the page to create the numbers to compare. We're going to drag the numbers to the line so that we can begin. All right, so we have 480 and 31. Which one is greater? That's right, 480. All right, now we have 61 and 478. Now which is greater? That's right, 478. We have 478 and 55. Which is greater? That's right, 478. All right, 316 and 77. Now which one is greater? 316. Great job. All right, so here we see we have some dice to work with. We're going to click on the dice to generate a number, and then we're going to write on the numbers provided. Now as a class, we are going to write the number in expanded form. Remember that in expanded form works only in base 10, so only numbers from 0 to 9 can work. Cannot use the number 10. So let's use our dice. All right. We have 1 and 4. So we are going to do 10 plus 4. Great job. Now we have 155. Now we're going to do, we can only write things in base 10, so 100 plus 50 plus 5. Great job. Only in base 10. You guys did a great job today learning about place value. We are going to just go over some main points that we learned today. We learned about multi-digit numbers and all of its important place values. We can read and make numbers in standard form, word form, expanded form, and as well as use our base 10 model, which is, as we remember, from 0 to 9. As a review, we've practiced comparing numbers. Is there any questions? No? Great. It's time for your quiz. Take out your tablets and on the Kahoot app, enter the quiz code and we will begin in just a minute.